All right. Okay, let me just stop. Hey guys, what's up? It is Chi here, and I've got another bad idea. There's like this TikTok compilation, right? And it's like people drawing really cute stuff on their mirrors and like CDs and stuff like that. And then last night I discovered this video by Dustin Vuong, which hopefully I'm saying your last name right. I'm so sorry if I'm not. And he painted his mirror. And y'all, we have the same mirror, except mine's, I'm pretty sure, is bigger. This could be a very bad idea or a very good idea. One reason why I wanted to paint it is because the way it's facing, honestly, because it's like really close to my actual window thing. When I actually try to look in this, like to do my makeup, it's pretty dark, I guess. I don't know, because it's facing, I'm facing the light when I should be like this way, I think. Or I don't know. Actually, I don't know why it's dark when I try to do my makeup, but I never look at this mirror. So basically it's there for just to be cute because it's big and gold. But now we are going to make it a masterpiece. So first thing we're going to need is paints. I don't know if I have those. All right, ladies. And not you, Mom.
What?
Not you. Perfect. Ooh, so dark. So first I'm actually just going to draw an outline of how I want my clouds to look. And now I'm going to fill them in with the white. And then go back in and fill them in with different colors. But I did just draw the outline first just because I'm not good at just putting it everywhere and not knowing where everything's going. But yes. Now we are gonna add some red to make it pink. Add some red and then pink, or just make pink. I think maybe just make pink. Anyway. Yeah, there we go. I'm gonna add a little bit more white, and then I also added like orange mixed with red to get like the darker parts. Yeah, and so I'm gonna add white because in Justin's video he did like differentiate the clouds with like a white outline in a few. I think that's what I think I remember from watching it. I'm gonna rewatch it again. So I'm gonna do that just to make my clouds a little bit more, and then also to make my thing a little bit, I'm also wearing shorts. It literally does not look like it. But also to make this a little bit more me and not just completely copied from what I saw on TikTok and from Justin, I am going to be adding mountains here. Do I know how to make mountains? I do not, but that's what Bob Ross is for. Ooh, what's going on? Ooh, hello.
Let's build us a little mountain today. For that, I'll use some Prussian blue.
Oh, he said blue.
We'll take a little midnight black, some Van Dyke brown, a little lizard crimson.
Oh, I don't got none of those colors. We just gonna use black. I'm sorry.
Looking for here is a good
Bob Ross, I failed you.
Where does your mountain live? Maybe in our world, our mountain's gonna live. Does now. Right there.
Said it does now. Period. Okay, so I did my mountains. I don't know, I think they look okay. Not the best. But now I'm just going to add the little sparkles and then maybe a few little hearts. and then I'll be done. I don't know if I'm filling these mountains a little bit. They kind of, I might outline them, probably. Are we ready for the final product?
Whoa, these days, it's not easy.
I really like it, honestly. I don't really know how well it'll do if I ever need to use that mirror, but I think it's very pretty. Yeah, you guys, if you want to do this, I do think it's worth it. I don't think you need much knowledge of drawing at all. Pretty easy. Just make circular motions, I think, and then you've got it, and just put paint everywhere. With that said, I hope you guys like this video. Remember to like and subscribe as always, and I'll see you guys next time. My foot is falling asleep. Okay.
똑같은 자리 같은 잠에 들겠지.